The stock market had a hiccup in the morning on weak GDP numbers that shouldn't have surprised anyone, but the buyers did step in and ended the day strong. Now, behind me is the S&P 500. This is the key thing to watch. The red line is 50-day moving average resistance. The blue line is 200-day moving average resistance. Notice that the stock market has been strong. This S&P 500, sorry, this has been strong, but it stopped just short of that resistance. Thanks to strong earnings and after hours from Meta and Microsoft, we're probably going to push that resistance and maybe break out above it. So the levels to watch is 5,600. That's right where the 50-day moving average is. Let's see what happens on the close Thursday, May 1st. It's going to be a strong start to the month.